Welcome to Elite Auto Rides. Today, we're diving into the latest updates on the 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross, a compact SUV that's making waves in the automotive world. In Pakistan, the Corolla Cross was initially introduced as an imported model in April 2021. However, December 2023 marked a significant milestone with the commencement of its local assembly, making it Toyota's first hybrid electric vehicle produced in the country. The locally assembled versions come in two hybrid variants, the 1.8 HEV Mid and the 1.8 HEV X High, both powered by a 1.8-liter 2ZRFXE hybrid petrol engine. In March 2024, Toyota expanded the lineup by introducing two petrol variants, the 1.8 Mid and the 1.8X High, equipped with the 1.8-liter 2ZRFE petrol engine. The 2025 Corolla Cross boasts a stylish and sporty design. The front features a double trapezoid grille flanked by LED projection headlamps and curtain daytime running lights, DRLs. LED fog lamps are positioned below the grille, enhancing visibility during adverse weather conditions. The rear is equally impressive, with LED illuminated combination headlamps and a kick sensor beneath the power tailgate for easy access to the boot space. A moonroof adorns the top in the premium trim, and all variants come with a shark fin antenna, adding to the vehicle's sleek profile. Inside, the Corolla Cross offers a luxurious and comfortable cabin. Leather-wrapped seats are standard, with manual adjustments in the low and mid-grade trims, while the premium trim features a 6-way power-adjustable driver's seat. The rear seats can be reclined in a 60-40 split to increase cargo space when needed. The 3-spoke steering wheel, wrapped in leather in the premium and mid-grade trims, is equipped with various controls, including cruise control in the higher trims. The vehicle also features an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity on the go. Under the hood, the hybrid variants combine a 1.8-liter engine producing 98 horsepower and 142 Nm of torque with an electric motor delivering 72 horsepower and 163 Nm of torque. This synergy results in a combined output of 122 horsepower, managed by an ECVT transmission. The hybrid system not only provides a responsive driving experience but also ensures impressive fuel efficiency, making it an excellent choice for eco-conscious drivers. Safety is a paramount concern for Toyota, and the 2025 Corolla Cross reflects this commitment. The vehicle comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which includes features like a pre-collision system, lane departure warning, lane tracing assist, dynamic radar cruise control, and automatic high beam assistance. Additional safety features encompass blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and drive start control to prevent unintended acceleration. In terms of pricing in Pakistan, the Corolla Cross is expected to range from PKR 7,849,000 for the base variant 1.8 to PKR 9,449,000 for the top-tier 1.8 HEV X variant. These prices are ex-factory estimates and may vary based on additional features and regional factors. Globally, the 2025 Corolla Cross has seen several updates. In the US, the model now offers a new Soul Red crystal color option and an exclusive nightshade grade with unique styling elements. The vehicle retains its 2.0-liter engine paired with 3 electric motors, delivering a combined 196 horsepower and an impressive 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 8 seconds. The estimated fuel efficiency stands at 42 mpg, making it a compelling choice for those seeking performance without compromising on economy. In Malaysia, the facelift 2025 Corolla Cross introduces significant design changes, particularly at the front end, featuring a new bumper structure, honeycomb grille, bi-LED headlights with Lexus-style DRL graphics, and sequential turn signals. The GR Sport variant offers an exclusive two-tone black roof design for a sportier appearance. The top variants are powered by a 1.8-liter 2ZRFXE engine combined with an electric motor, resulting in a combined output of 122 horsepower, paired with an ECVT transmission. In summary, the 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross continues to build on its reputation for reliability, efficiency, and modern design. With its range of variants and features, it caters to a broad spectrum of drivers, from those seeking eco-friendly daily commutes to enthusiasts desiring a sporty driving experience. Its blend of performance, comfort, and advanced safety features makes it a standout choice in the compact SUV segment. Thank you for tuning in to this comprehensive overview of the 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Elite Auto Rides for more updates on the latest automotive trends and reviews.